Hello friends, welcome to Dugli Chat Sally. So today I am going to share 10 interesting facts about Rudraeshwara temple. Fact number 1, floating bricks. The top of the Ramappa temple, also known as Ramalingeshwara temple, is made up of bricks that can float in water. Recent study shows the weight of these bricks is about one third or one fourth of the normal bricks of the same size. The top of the temple is made up of these types of bricks so the load on the pillars and walls can be minimized. Thus, the chances of collapsing the temple during a natural disaster like an earthquake will be least. Fact number 2, Ramappa temple is named after its architecture. Usually, the temples in India are named after the deity of the temple, but this temple is named after the architecture of the building. His name was Ramappa, and it is the world's first temple that is named after the craftsman who designed it. Fact number 3, Standing Nandi. The speciality about the Nandi here is that the eyes of the statue are made up of in this way that if you see it from any angle or direction, you will realize that the Nandi is watching you only, which gives you a positive energy. Fact number 4, Earthquake Proof Building. Kakatiya rulers who built this temple tried to make the temple earthquake proof. They did it by using a technique called sandbox. In this method, sand is placed on the land where a building is going to be made. The sand is placed so that the shock to the building during an earthquake can be minimized. Fact number 5, Small temple before big temple. Outside the main temple, there is a model of Ramappa temple. This model was constructed before constructing the main building. The main building was made by looking at the model. This is a technique that is used to make a big beautiful buildings. Fact number 6, High steps in Ramappa temple. Steps built by the Kakatiya dynasty is very high. Kakatiya dynasty rulers were very tall and were about 7 to 8 feet tall. Behind it, there are steps built by the Government of India for convenience. Fact number 7, Carvings telling its past. There are detailed carving on the temple as well as on its pillar. Moreover, there are certain figures and these are also detailed carvings. There are 4 figures on the 3 sides of Ramappa temple. This makes a total of 12 figures. These figures are of dancing women. It can be easily observed that the lady from one figure has big nails which are now considered as fashion, but from the figure it is clear the fashion is around 800 years old. Many other things can also be noted from these figures and carvings. Like one lady in the figure is wearing high heels. This is also fashion nowadays. Fact number 8, Music from metal carvings. The temple is also known as for its elaborate carving that speak volumes about the dexterity of craftsmen. Among the amazing carvings include a flute at the entrance of Scantum Scanthorum, which when we hit it make the sound sa re ga ma. Sweet musical sound can be heard if you hit the metal carvings with your fingers or hands. Fact number 9, The visit of Marco Polo to Ramappa temple. Italian merchant and explorer Marco Polo has remarked that the Ramappa temple was the brightest star in the galaxy of medieval temples of the Deccan. Fact number 10, Thousand Pillar Temple. Ramappa temple is also known as Thousand Pillars Temple or Rudraeshwara temple. Later, Muslim dynasty of Turic-Urjan destroyed the Thousand Pillar temple during the invasion of South India. It stayed in bad shape for few years with fallen out columns, broken roofs and broken statues. According to retired Telugu professor Hari Shiv Kumar, the temple came to be known as about 300 pillars present. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you all liked my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe it if you have liked it.